The brave men and women of the Austin Police Department put their lives on the line tonight to stop this man from setting off bombs.
The vehicle ended up stopping in the bar ditch on the side of the road behind us. As members of the Austin Police Department SWAT team approached the vehicle, the suspect detonated a bomb inside the vehicle. The suspect is deceased and has significant injuries from a blast that occurred from detonating a bomb. If you see something that looks suspicious, if you see something that's out of place, if you see something that gives you concern, call 911 and let us know so that we don't experience any more tragedies in our communities, because we've had far too many over the past 3 weeks.